We're going to take a quick look at 1310 Hartrey, Unit 1, second floor. These are just some test shots, and we'll have a final video later, but I wanted to give everybody who's interested a three-dimensional look at what we're 99.9% complete with. Lots of volume, lots of light, bay window off the front, exposed ductwork, really cool wide stair, making it very easy to get your furniture up to the second floor. Two good-sized bedrooms. This is the smaller one. Nice wardrobe with a built-in mirror. Solid core oak doors. Looking down to the first floor. And there you have it at 1310 Hartrey, Unit 1, second level.